let's get back to the main board. Okay, don't need this for a while. These screws can sit over there. Now, this is, I love this mod map. It is worth the money. If you're going to do any work on your computer, you want to spend the money and the time to buy one of these. That comes up, use that. And instructions, just lift that up carefully, that's it. That comes off. You can see that looks beautiful. Oh, honestly, I cannot wait to get this into this all hooked up and ready to go. But I wanted to show everybody what I have and also show just quickly putting things together. Now this is supposed to only go one way. Should be two cutouts. Aha, they're the cutouts. If you can see in here, there's a little cut there and a little cut there. And you want to position this little cut here, a little indentation there and indentation there. That there carefully goes onto that. Sits in nicely. So I'll only go one way. So that's perfect. That goes back over. This comes down. You have to use a fair bit of force actually to get back down the spring, but it's quite good. It's not going to come off. Yes, now we'll go loosely back onto here. Tighten up a little bit. Come through the plastic. As you can see now, okay, you can lift that up with this one. It is a bit fiddly, but it is worth it. This is a little bit fiddly, but it will be worth it. That's it. That's all I need to do to start with. I will be tightening it down later, but you don't need it super tight because I've still got to put the cooling system on top of that. You can see the chip there, it looks quite nice. That's that part done. Now, the last part, what we're going to be doing is putting in the memory. So you grab your memory module, look for the little groove there, the little grooves there, and you just line this up. And go in there, line that up. It can only go in one way. Just plonk it straight there. It's not in yet. That's it. does take a little bit of force to get that in there. That's it. Now it's in. Get the next one. To line it up. Let's drop down. That's it. Okay, I think that's where the feet of this thing will grab. So, take this off. Way. How do I want this? Where do I want this fan? I want this fan. Can be plugged up to there, can be plugged up to here. But you've got to look at how you want the fan to go. Can I twist that back into there and hopefully, possibly put that up into the case like that? Or do I want it running down this side? Thinking, if I put this fan over here, I could have that so it will plug up into this one here. So either this one or often I can use, there's a couple of fan headers here too. So, what they suggest. And that should, I think it plugs up into these. You really don't know it. That will work. I won't put this in yet because I've still got to put this. It's going to be in the way of the screws, but a quick look. Still gives a fair height there, those little fans. You can see that. Stable. Yep. You can see there's a fair bit of a gap. I can fit the finger in there comfortably. That'd be fun. Well, that's that part done. I'm going to figure out some other things to do yet. But that's that. We'll put that on when we get in the case. That's my quick leak. That will be going in there. I hope everybody likes that. Now I've got to get these out. Now, going to need a trusty knife again. Always be careful when using knives. Now let's a quick look at how long these will be to where I want them to go. It's quite a nice length, so you could technically put, so the first one is down here. So you've got one up here, which you can hook up the 2-pin fan. Only one way I think it goes in. Let's have a look. I believe it might just slide in like that. Okay, so that fan, let's say you've got a fan on the top of the case, anywhere in the case really. You want to put that heat sensor, that will reach. That is quite a long distance. I'll get the exact measurements of these in a minute. Okay, measuring off here for centimeters from the tip. Almost just over 44 centimeters long, almost 45 centimeters long. This fan heat heat detectors, I should say they're called. Now that one's going to go onto there. That way. That's it. So, in a sense, I could almost run that down, possibly in between here. I'll use this one for fan 1 in case. I can use this one now to hook up the other fan. So I've got 3 fans up top, so I'll hook up this one to 1, this one to 2. Right, then I have 1, 2 on top of the case using the other fan controller I have, which will hook up this one and then the memory. Because there'll be 1, 2. Stop.